Hi guys, sorry for not uploading a lot. So we're gonna be playing Animal Crossing. I know it's bad quality since I can't actually use my Nintendo, but at least you can see it in a big screen. I'm basically going to just show you around my island. And this took forever. I'm still working on it. I need to put flowers like everywhere. It's like, it just resembles, this is a wedding thing. This is a picnic. That's Halloween. And the rest is the rest of it. Oh, they finally bloomed. That is a pretty flower. Yep. And this is just where I planted some potatoes. I hate they stole her catchphrase still. You'll see who I'm talking about. But yeah, I had pizza last night. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Anything? Nope. Oh, here's some stuff I can sell. Hello, man. Is you home? Oh. Oh my god, I have not been here, but yeah, there you are. Oh my god. Tennis. I hate your music, man. Which reminds me, I have to do my daily route to where I go check everything. And then also go on some shopping sprees. And then I use all my bells. Okay, money, yeah. Wait a minute, I have mail. Oh. I don't. Oh yeah, weird. Christmas. Yep, everyone loves Christmas. Well, not everyone, but you know, get it. Ooh, yeah, I'm taking that. I take everything. Yay. Let's see how much money I have. Whoa, that's a lot, but I have to earn more before I can pay my loan. It's getting too expensive. But I could use that money for things to buy, but I have to use it for loans. Yeah, Yes, I do. Let's see what they have. They have so much great stuff, but I just gotta buy it. But it's wasting money because I can't use half of the stuff. Oh, they have something I want. Oh my god. I want this. How expensive is it? Oh my goodness, I need it. I like this stuff that's really detailed. I love this type of stuff. Yeah. Nice. I'll buy it. Yes. It reminds me, I still don't know how to cook. I have recipes and stuff, but I don't have anything to cook with. I'm so dumb. So dumb. Anyway, we might as well check other houses. So, the Meowtastic catchphrase. Oh, here's my best friend. I like that she calls me Cupcake because I actually am role-playing as her on here. That's why she's all pink. Well, mostly pink. That's rude. I feel sad. Was it because I was gone for a while? Hi, kitty. There's a cat on the table now. Good cat. Just don't knock over my phone. Okay, now. Old man bird. So many weeds, no one. Maybe there's someone at the campsite, I don't know. I'm just gonna go show you the Meowtastic catchphrase where it came from. That I gave to her specifically because she's a cat. What are you doing? Don't get in my cup, cat. I love the song, yeah. Mama Cushion. Oh, I don't. That's great. Don't mind my voice and all of that stuff. Please, it's not my fault. Yeah, now we can go see if there's anyone at the campsite. Nope. I have to wait. Oh god. I'm terrible at catching bugs. Where did... What? Oops. Oh no. You don't know. Please tell me it's pink. Yeah. Well, please tell me it's pink or I'm not gonna wear it. Well, I have other clothes that's not pink, but. Oh, well, that's great. Thanks. I'm gonna keep it on. I look ugly now. Now, thank you. Thank you very much. Just thank you. I can't believe this. Yep. Didn't he move away? Yeah, Lionel did move away. Not home. Yeah, Jade. Ugly bird. I wish he would move. I don't need all the boys here to like sports this much. I have like the only one who isn't into sports that much is literally Ozzy, and that's getting ridiculous. Yeah, it is. I missed. Pumpkins. Oh, he calls me burrito. What? What? Oh my. Just kidding. This is why I always put yeah and stuff like that in my sentences. This is because of him. Oh my god, I have to do everything around here. It's not that bad. It's actually kind of fun depending on what it is. Pink clothing is best. If I roleplay as Cupcake, what does that mean I wouldn't be allowed to wear any other colors? Well, I guess she can wear other colors, so I'm gonna make that rule that she can wear other colors, because she doesn't always have to be pink. Anything? Nope. 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 Just nothing. Well, I must talk to her. Yeah. M. That's sad. There's not really anything to do now. But I can show you my house. And then I'll probably end the video there because the only reason I really made this is because I'm late behind on making my gacha videos. Because I've been so out of motivation lately. So all I can really do is making gaming videos, which was the plan of my channel, but it kind of didn't go that way. So this is the first room, this is the bedroom, bathroom, and then kitchen. I'll show you kitchen first because, you know, the kitchen is good for food. And everyone loves food because you have to live off it, which I still don't know how to cook, but when I find out how, I will put it in this kitchen and I will cook all day and eat it. The bathroom is a cozy place, as my friend said. It is very magical in there. Very. It's like my favorite room. Wait a minute. Oh, you gotta be joking. That plant. Oh well. This is my favorite room. I have 3 places to use the bathroom. I have a bathtub and a shower. And this one's always on, so it's kind of wasting my water bill, but I don't care. Oh, the cat's sleeping. Nice. Now, bedroom. Also, you would not believe how much stuff I have in my storage. Is that really the time it is right now? I tried fixing it. I'm not sure if it is or not. Anyway, yeah, this is it. Got time to show you storage stuff. I have all of this. It's mainly clothes and then other random stuff. I don't know what to do with that. So much random stuff. Perfect. Oh God. It's crooked. Oh my God. How did I not realize that? No, I'm not fixing it. Get triggered. It matches so well. It matches so well with the. I love this song now. It matches the Halloween theme also. If you can't afford bridges, why not do this? I hate that you can't go underneath now. Well, the fish can't. But it's fine. I'm gonna see if there's anyone in here. Because last time it was that duck, Molly. Duck? What? He's in here? Hey, can I talk to you? Can you see? Cupcake doesn't drink coffee, but who cares? Deep words, very deep. I am dead. Oh my god. Did I go back in there? I don't know. Yeah, I did, didn't I? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention to it because I looked away. And then I looked back. And it was a nowhere destination. So I looked back again and it was a nowhere destination. Everything is wrong with me. Every single thing I do is bad. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end it here. There's nothing really else to do. I already showed you my house. Well, I didn't really show you everyone here, but I don't think you need to. I need more money. You, not you. You. Bam. Perfect. Why is everyone exercising now? Hey. Wow, Coco. Wow. So, wow. If I end the video now, I would have time to do other stuff. But I don't have any other plans, so... Oops. Okay, I think I'll end it there. Thank you for watching. And yeah, thanks. I'm just gonna pick up my phone and I'm going to turn off the video. I know you probably didn't see it that well, but I don't care. Well, I do care. I'm gonna try to find better ways to make good quality videos. So, wait a minute. Wait, give me a second. Give a second. Let me find it. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day.